Hey there everybody. So this is the property that me and my dad bought a few months ago. As you can see behind me, it's like there's acres of just poplars like this. So this weekend I thought I'd make a video of cutting down a bunch of little poplars because we gotta thin them out a lot. And also we need to clear out around the oak trees and stuff. And the other thing that we need to do is I built a little shed, and we got to kind of stabilize that. And also I was thinking of doing some wattling around it, which is, you know, just weaving sticks in between the walls.
Stand oaks there for some reason.
Yeah, I saw that.
That's weird. Yeah, no.
Cat. Cut everything around that tree, that oak tree, and that little spruce. Timber!
There you go.
Alright everybody, I think I got this just how I wanted it. There was I cleaned up around these spruce trees. There's quite a few on the floor here. There's a couple of, I think these are red oaks. So those aren't being competed for sunlight. And I really just thinned it out. And then all the way from here back to just behind that oak tree, it's thinned out. While I was doing that, my father cleaned up around these two oak trees. So this is about how we want it.
I didn't bring any keys at all.
There's a duck. We're here. Alright, got a little egg sinker and this little worm. Not too small, but I'll just drop it down to the bottom. We got a double, everybody. I think that's a rough, but we really have no idea what either of these fish are.
Make them kiss. We love you.
Okay.
It's got that spinny thing on the top.
Yeah, just like the Calypso. Another one of those weird things?
Yep.
I don't know. That's probably just a rock bass.
Well, there are rocks. Some
You know, I don't know. I've only caught like one. Alright, Mr. Fish. I don't think that you could possibly do that ever again. That's a crazy hook set. Look at that.
Oh, did you
Look
see
at it.
Oh, that's
Mouth compared to this hook.
yeah. It's having a hard time focusing here, but Whoever didn't see that, somehow the fish snagged itself underneath the gill plate on the outside. Off he goes.
Whatever you think.
Yeah, rather. Not to be confused with that. That's a swear. Well, I'm going to do something I told you never to do. Oh, shit. Right here.
Oh, my God. The roof's falling apart.
Of course. You did just have it after all.
Yep. Sure, where else you thought it would be?
Yep. I'm going to be here on this board.
Alright, that's about as good as it needs to be to keep the snow out. Alright everybody, I'm finished. I got all this done, and I nailed a couple boards, all making a square on the 3 boards, making most of a square. And up here on the roof, I made it so I think that it'll shed all the water. I don't think there'll be any puddles on there. I added extra supports to the roof, nailed them on. I cut a ridge pole to go down the length of it, and just need to clean up the stuff inside. And I think that it'll be looking pretty good. And on top of that, we got all these oaks ready to get some sunlight. This whole part right here. Hopefully some of these spruce trees, like that one right there, that one, there's another one, hopefully they'll start to grow. And it's all thinned out. And I guess that's going to conclude this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.